Hello and welcome everybody. HCMC stock on 28 November. So let's see that step by step with easy price prediction. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and let's go for this kind of stock. Okay. If we wanted to know that the HCMC is going to be such a thing that is going to have the same thing next time here. So I think it is going to be such a very important thing for HCMC to make this kind of movements again, and such the part that we want to hear for one day for to 1 week update. This will give us a different thing. Okay, next time will increase in momentum. If that going to be on a value on a wave that moves with this shape and not on this shape. Okay, that's what we want for the explanation of this stock HCMC today. Good luck.